Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have live swatches of ILNP's second summer 2024 nail polish collection. This is Electric Summer. This collection consists of 6 magnetic nail polishes packed with vivid contrasting shimmer and holographic sparkle. This collection will release Friday, July 26th, 2024. I'm not feeling too well, so I'm not going to be talking that much in this video. I'm just going to be telling you the nail polish descriptions. And I'm also going to be testing out these new magnets I got from the Polish Beauty Expo. So I'm going to be showing you what these polishes look like swatched by themselves without being magnetized on my ring finger, and then showing you what they look like magnetized on my middle finger. So starting with Power Surge, it is a lively green magnetic with pink to orange shifting shimmer and holographic sparkle. Flashing Lights is a teal magnetic with yellow to green shifting shimmer and holographic sparkle. Skye is a pale blue magnetic with pink to orange shifting shimmer and holographic sparkle. Glowstick is a radiant pink magnetic with glowing blue shimmer and holographic sparkle. Amped is a iris purple magnetic with green to teal shifting shimmer and holographic sparkle. Lightwave is a soft violet magnetic with orange to yellow shifting shimmer and holographic sparkle. Let me know what you think of this collection in the comment section. Again, I apologize for my voice. Like I said, I'm getting over being sick. Again, this collection will release on July 26, 2024. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.